Hi everyone. In this video, we will show you how to create an Instagram page in just 2 minutes. First, open the Instagram application on your mobile device. Next, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the download arrow next to your username at the top of your profile. From the drop-down menu, tap on Add Instagram Account to create a new page. Enter a unique username for your new account and follow the on-screen instructions to set it up. Once the page is created, go back to your profile and tap on the 3 lines in the top right corner. Scroll down and select Business Tools and Controls. This section allows you to manage account settings for professional use. Now, scroll further and tap on Switch Account Type. Then select Switch to Creator Account to enable advanced features for content creators. Next, scroll again and tap on Account Type and Tools. Here, choose Switch to Professional Account and tap on Next to proceed. Now, you will see a list of categories. Select the one that best describes you, such as an artist, blogger, or public figure. Then decide whether you want your account to be a creator or business account. Select Business for better marketing tools and insights, then tap Next. Finally, you can enter additional details like your location and contact number. You also have the option to connect your Instagram page to a Facebook page for cross-platform promotion. And just like that, your professional Instagram page is ready to use. Thanks for watching, like the video, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.